What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I really appreciate you tuning in today. We're back here. We're working on the 350Z again. We're headed back down to the shop today to work on the car with Efren. The side skirts are down there right now, so that's basically what we're going to be working on today. But I just wanted to show you guys what has happened to the Z since the front bumper's been off of it. It's not too bad, but I didn't actually think something like this was happening, but you know, it is. Got the Z right here. Haven't really driven it very much because of what I'm about to show you guys. I've been driving the Miata around a whole bunch lately. If you guys watched the last video, you'll see I did a 5 things I love about the Miata. But this driver's side tire right here, I had a feeling something like this was gonna happen. You know, this just going against the tires, just kind of what's happening is right here, the corner of it, I don't know if you can tell, but it's actually been destroying the inside of the tire. So can't really drive it. Like, this thing needs like a brand new tire on the driver's side right now, so have not been driving it at all. But I'm actually thinking I might just drive the Miata down there because the side splitters or the side skirts are actually already down there, so don't really need to take 350Z unless we're working on the driver door, which the metal technician guy, if he's down there, he'll be working on that. So I'm actually gonna text Efren right now and see if I need to drive the Z or not. Hopefully not, and we'll just take the Miata. So
a few minutes later.
Okay, so I just got off the phone with Efren. I told him about the whole tire issue, and he said it's totally fine. We're gonna take the Miata, cruise down there, work on the side skirts tonight, and then he said the metal technician is not gonna be there till Monday, so Monday we'll work on that and get the door done, and then hopefully we'll be ready for paint, you guys. I'm hoping we'll have this thing done within, you know, a week or two at the latest. It's been so long. I feel like it's been 2.5 months now we've been working on it, so you know, we'll get there. We'll get there. Wide body 370? That never happened. See, that's just one thing you don't see in the Z very often. A full tank, you guys, a full tank. Yo, I want a Lancer. I need an Evo. Chick-fil-A or flame broiler? Chick-fil-A, flame broiler. Chick-fil-A, flame broiler. Chick-fil-A, flame broiler. I'm full. So I ended up going with flame broiler just because I love flame broiler. We're headed over to the shop right now. Should be there any minute. If you guys have not seen it, I'll link it right here. I made a video of 5 reasons why I will never sell this MazdaMiata a few days ago. Definitely go check that out. It's one of my favorite videos I've made so far. I just love this Miata. I'll never sell it, so go see why. Alright guys, so we're here at the shop. We got the Miata right here. Efren just took the truck around that was right here, and he's gonna clean up a little bit inside. Then we're gonna get one of those little table things and start sanding down the side splitter or the side skirt. And that's basically the plan for today. I don't really know what else we can do. We kind of have to wait for Monday to come for the metal technician to kind of work on the driver door. But up until then, I think we're kind of just gonna sand the car down as much as we can, get all the little tiny pieces that we've missed, because I think I did miss a little bit, and then we're basically just gonna go from there. So that's the plan for today. Alright you guys, so we got the side skirts here. Check it out. So this is the one we've basically already sanded. This side we have to sand down. We're gonna have to fill some of these pretty gnarly cracks with some Bondo, but shouldn't have to use too much. But other than that, they're actually in pretty good condition for being like the closest thing to the road over the last 15 years. But yeah, just gonna sand it down. Probably take some 320 to it. And then for here, I might actually go like 150 grit and then hit it with 600 to finish it all off, and then we should be good. It's coming along, you guys. It's super awesome. I'm so excited. Like literally, once we do this, then we just have the door to do, and then we're basically done and almost ready for paint. So I'm so excited. So Efren said there actually should be enough plastic right here where we shouldn't need too much Bondo, maybe none at all. Hopefully we won't need any. Alright guys, check it out. So, as you remember, there was these pretty gnarly scratches right here, but we seamed it down enough, they eventually go away, just kind of like the front bumper. See this one? It's almost gone. Gotta take, this is 40 grit sandpaper, or no, this is actually 80 grit sandpaper, and it's doing the job pretty well. This side's not too bad, and then I gotta do the bottom down here a little bit, so yeah, just gonna go with this a little bit more, and then we should be good with this one. Alright you guys, check it out. The scratches are basically gone now, and is down to the plastic, which is cool. So we're basically gonna hit it with 320 and then 600 to get this smooth and ready for primer. And then, yeah, I'm gonna do that side too. Alright guys, so we basically took 80 grit sandpaper and sanded down to the plastic for these. Got all the gnarly scratches out of it. And then basically I've got 320 and 600 grit. Gonna use both of these, smooth them out, and then we should be good to go. You hear that? Someone in the distance is doing donuts. Can't really hear it though. Very faint. Alright guys, all finished up here at the shop today. Got some productive work done on the Z. This Miata looks so cool. But anyways, we were actually able to get most of the driver's side skirt pretty much sanded down. I wasn't able to finish the whole entire thing because those scratches were super deep, and obviously I only work for like an hour and a half a day here. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow. We're gonna knock out the rest of it and then also get onto the passenger side one. And then we should be good to go. Like you guys heard, Monday we'll be working on the driver door. Once we get that sanded down and taking some of the door dings out, then we'll be good to go and paint. I mean, I'm hoping like next week sometime we'll be painting the Z. I got a whole bunch of new mods coming in, you know, brand new parts that, you know, were broken on the Z that we'll be putting on. So look out for those videos.